Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Quaint. Today's topic of discussion is the age of AI warfare when robots replace soldiers. Here soldiers means human soldiers and robots, you know the meaning of robots. And here we are talking about actually autonomous robots or autonomous machines. And one of the most controversial term is used here, that is lethal autonomous weapon systems. In short, this is called LAWS, that is laws, lethal autonomous weapon systems. So what's happening right now? Human soldiers are being replaced by robots. Means actually this is future plan. Okay, human soldiers are replaced by autonomous robots or autonomous machines. And these machines, actually what is happening, artificial intelligence, that is in short AI, so artificial intelligence is being embedded into machines. And these machines are able to fly, track and even kill without any human input. Yes, these machines are able to make life or death decisions on their own. They are able to identify, target and eliminate the threat if there is any threat. Okay, these machines are able to make all these decisions and execute according to the requirement. But you know that when human soldiers fight a war, in that case what happens? They are actually guided by, means human soldiers are guided by strategy, morality, rules of engagement. So many things are there because those are humans. Human soldiers are humans. So you know the human nature. But here machines, these are pre-programmed machines. They can't take such decisions. They can't make such decisions because of what? Because they don't have that sense of morality. They don't know what is good, what is bad. These things are not known to them. Actually, you know, AI means AI-driven machines are not able to think anything. Whatever happening, means if you have seen all these things, then whatever happening is just pre-programmed. Is just pre-programmed. So question is why human soldiers are being replaced by robots? Why scientists or the countries are planning like this? Why human soldiers are being replaced by robots? Yes, of course, a reason is there. First is if robots fight the war, okay, if robots take part in the battlefield, take part in the war, better to say take part in the war, in that case it reduces human casualties. If robots are present along with the human soldiers, then these robots are actually reduce human casualties. And one more thing, you know, AI-driven systems or AI-driven machines are much faster than human brain. So within a fraction of a second, they are able to make their own decisions. AI-driven machines or those laws, that is a lethal autonomous weapon systems, those are able to do this thing with much accuracy. Yes, of course, problems are there. Ethical problems are there. Malfunctioning of the systems is there. Machines, those are machines. So malfunctioning is possible. Hijacking is also possible. Means, sorry, not hijacking, hacking is also possible. Okay, if someone hacks your systems and manipulate according to their requirement, then what might happen? Anyway, this ethical part, ethical dilemmas will be discussed in a separate video. But in this video, we are talking about what can do the autonomous weapons. So actually, they can do everything, but problem is accountability becomes blurred. Once those autonomous weapons or autonomous machines make their own decisions, in that case, accountability becomes blurred. Just for example, if machines mistakenly attacks if machines mistakenly attack civilians, then who is responsible? The programmer, or the commander, or the machine itself? Who is responsible in this case? So you can see there are actually so many problems associated with this topic, associated with this type of war. We are right now talking about future warfare, okay? These are not happening right now, but in near future we will be able to see all these things. And one more advantage is there, since those are machines, so they don't get scared, they don't get tired, okay? So these are they don't get even hungry. So these are the advantages of autonomous weapons. Means any machines, they don't get tired, they don't get scared, they don't get hungry. Advantages are there, again disadvantages are there. You can see both are present at the same time. So everything depends on what? Everything depends on today's people or today's country. Anyway, so this was all about today's topic, and what? And all those dilemmas, ethical dilemmas are there, malfunctioning, hacking, okay? Those problems are there, those things will be discussed in a separate video. Here in this video I have discussed what can be done by using autonomous weapons. Okay, that means what is the conclusion? By using autonomous weapons we can do anything, or better to say we can do everything, but without using morality, because they are not humans, they don't have any consciousness, they can't think. It looks like they are thinking, but actually they are not thinking. So I'll make a separate video where the main topic of discussion will be why robots can't think. Okay, such questions will be discussed. Actually, AI-driven machines can't think. Just keep in your mind this thing. Anyway, so this was all about today's topic, and this is the end of this video. If you found this video interesting, so please like, share and subscribe to our channel. This is the end. Thanks for watching.